Hello, this is a quick video to show how to Photoshop someone out of a picture. I have an image download from freepik.com. You can find the download link in this video description. Now I click and drag into Photoshop to open this image. I press Ctrl 0 to view fit. To remove a person, firstly we make a selection. I will use the Lasso tool. Select it and click and drag, select the person. After select the person, we can go to Window and activate the Contextual Task Bar. This is new feature in Photoshop 2024. We can click Generative Fill and click Agree to using Generative AI. This is optional to type the text. I leave it blank and generate. Wait a moment. After generating, go to Properties. We have three options. And we can go to the layer, see the before and after. So this is how we can Photoshop someone out of a picture using Generative AI in Photoshop 2024. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist V. See you in the next video. Bye bye.